Welcome to UK Tech Genius, your go-to channel for the latest in AI technology. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how AI can enhance your YouTube thumbnails. If you're a content creator looking to boost your click-through rates and make your videos stand out, you're in the right place. Thumbnails are often the first thing viewers notice when browsing YouTube. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate, attracting more viewers to your content. Here's how AI can revolutionize your thumbnail game. First, AI tools can help with design optimization. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Spark use AI to suggest layout designs, color schemes, and font styles that are most likely to grab attention. These tools analyze millions of successful thumbnails to provide you with the best possible design options, ensuring your thumbnails are visually appealing and effective. Next, let's talk about image recognition and enhancement. AI-powered tools like remove.bg can automatically remove backgrounds from images, allowing you to isolate key elements and create a cleaner, more professional look. Additionally, tools like Let's Enhance use AI to upscale images, improving the quality of your thumbnails without losing detail. Another powerful application of AI is in the /B testing. AI platforms like TuberBuddy and vidIQ offer features to test different thumbnail designs. They analyze which thumbnails perform better based on click-through rates and engagement, allowing you to choose the most effective option for your audience. Now, a crucial aspect of thumbnails is the text overlay. AI can help generate catchy, relevant text that aligns with trending keywords and phrases. Tools like Headline Studio use AI to analyze your title and suggest improvements to make it more engaging and SEO-friendly. Lastly, AI can assist in personalization. By analyzing viewer behavior and preferences, AI can suggest thumbnail designs that are more likely to resonate with your specific audience. This targeted approach can significantly improve your click-through rates and overall viewer engagement. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe to UK Tech Genius for more insightful content on AI technology. And that's how AI can enhance your YouTube thumbnails. Leveraging AI tools can save you time and effort, while also boosting your channel's performance. Which AI tool are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. Don't forget to subscribe to UK Tech Genius and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in AI technology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.